Welcome to my channel Magical Beauty. Nature has a lot to give us to benefit in our lives, but sometimes we are not ready to accept it and run after artificial means, which are not only temporary but are extremely harmful. Our skin needs real care. Here I am going to tell you the secret of natural beauty. Tomato is a real bleaching agent. It not only brightens and lightens our complexion but also minimizes open pores. It is full of antioxidants called lycopene, which fights with the cellular damage and skin inflammation. The mild bleaching properties make it best for skin lightening and improves dull skin. This pack, which I am going to tell you, is very beneficial. It will exfoliate your skin and leave your skin very soft. So for this, you need half a tomato. Now we need some sugar. You can also use brown sugar, my friends. Now start sprinkling it on tomato like this, my friends. Sugar will act as a natural exfoliator and will work as a powerful skin lightener. When combined with tomato, it works increases twofold. Now we need 2 to 3 pinches of baking soda. You don't have to use baking powder here. You have to use only baking soda. Baking soda helps maintaining our skin pH level and has antibacterial properties. It loosens the skin around the blackheads so that they could easily come out. We have to rub it like this on our skin in circular motion. We need to rub it around 10 minutes. This pack will renew your skin and will clean it deep inside. Your complexion will be enhanced. This shocking pack will leave you very fresh skin and baby soft skin. There will be a pinkish glow on your skin. Rub your skin very gently, my friends. Don't overdo it, otherwise it will cause redness. You need to rub it like this for nearly 10 minutes. After that, keep it on your skin for more 10 minutes and then you can wash it with lukewarm water. Do this remedy twice a week for maximum results. And I promise your skin will be baby soft and very glowing, bright and very eye-catchy. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And remember, nature has those blessings for us which we even can't imagine. Thank you so much. Bye.